Hi everybody, it's Belle from East Coast Mummy, and I am back with some dollar store finds that you are going to love. They're inexpensive, fun, and perfect for summer. So let's get started. First up is one of these garden stakes. They have a little thing on the bottom to stick them into the ground. They come with one hook or two hooks. I like this 2-hook one. It's good for hanging planters, but I also love the idea of hanging these dollar store lanterns off of it. These are solar ones, so you can stick them in your garden and they'll light up at night and they look super cute. The other idea is to put it by your fire pit, and you can use it to hang a basket. This is a dollar store basket with some s'mores supplies. You can just hang it on here, maybe put a light on this side so you can see what you're doing. But these hooks have a lot of uses and you're gonna wanna pick one up. This dollar store bird feeder is a favorite of mine. I had one last year. I bought a new one this year just to make sure that it was nice and clean. Clean it out before you use it. But it has suction cups on the back, and you stick it to the window and the birds come up to it and you can see the birds. I had one last year and I loved it, and I got another one. Is a find that you might be skeptical of, but last year we had wasps on our porch and they were kind of coming up through the cracks. I put one of these up and they went away. So I am a believer in these. It's a little wasp nest. The idea behind it is that if you hang it up and it kind of expands like this, the wasps think that there's already a nest here, and they'll go make a nest somewhere else. Dollar store has tons of bags, and this time of year I'm going to the farmer's market or I'm going to the beach, and I always like to have a nice cute bag. This one is one of my favorites. It's great for throwing a couple things in. It's super cute. It would be great for produce at a farmer's market. But if you check it at the dollar store, there are tons of ideas for cute, useful bags. And this one in particular is my favorite, but go with what you like. This time of year, the dollar store has tons of awesome summer glassware. And I love a lot of it, but some of my favorites that I found last week were this cute little flower pot. I might actually paint this a different color and stick it on my tiered tray, but it's also cute as it is. You could stick some flowers in it or leave it plain. I also love this little ice cream cone cup with a straw. What I love about this is it's that iridescent color that's super trendy right now, and I think this is perfect for summer. This is the perfect time of year to get organized so you can relax and enjoy the summer months. What I like to do is find ways to get organized with inexpensive supplies. So two of my favorites are these vacuum bags, and you can throw your winter clothes in it, use a vacuum to suck out the air, and it'll take up less space. So that's helpful. And also, I love these. I've already opened them because I'm using them already. But these chalkboard clips are super fun for crafting, but they're also great for organization. They're little chalkboards. You can use a chalkboard marker or chalk. They have a little clip on the back, so they're great to clip onto a bin and keep you organized. The dollar store has tons of galvanized tins. These are my new favorite. They're flat on one side, so they're good if you're gonna put them up against a wall or a fence. They have a nice, thick, substantial rope to hang it by. I've already used one of these to make a summer wreath, but as you can see, I bought 2 more because I have some more great ideas. I might even save one so that I can do something fun for Christmas or fall down the road, but get these now while they're in the store. They are great. The dollar store has tons of really cute lighting options. There are lots of solar lights and fairy lights. My new favorite is this little bottle light with fairy lights attached. You stick the cork into a empty wine bottle and it makes a nice little light for your patio. So I think this is a great buy for $1 and perfect for summer. I love all the inexpensive shampoos and creams and cosmetics that you can get at the dollar store. So for summer, there's often some name brand sunblock and creams and all that kind of stuff, and you'll save a ton of money. So a couple of my favorites right now are this Dove cream. It's a really nice scent and it's kind of like it has a nice texture, kind of rubs in. I think this is great and a great price for a name brand item. I also love picking up these to have in my purse. It has SPF 15, so it will help protect your lips from the sun too. So make sure the next time you're at the dollar store to pick up some cosmetic type things at a fraction of the cost. Right now, my dollar store has tons of pots. Some of my favorite are these brightly colored ones. It's like glass, so it's a good quality, but these are super cute and I love the colors. In addition, I found this one, which I absolutely love. This fake concrete color is very on trend right now. You can use it for a plant, but I actually have an idea to use it as a little candle holder or a little fire pit. I think I might fill it with rocks and some sort of flame or candle, and these are super cute and very trendy this year. I hope you like these dollar store finds and tips and tricks. If you have a favorite, please leave it in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.